What the son of a bitch?
Hey, careful, man.
No argument.
There's a beverage here.
Yeah.
Start talking and talk fast, you bum.
We've been frantically trying to reach you, dude.
Where's my goddamn money, you bum?
Well, I don't,
They did not receive the money, you nitwit. They did not receive the money. Her life was in your hands.
This is our concern, dude.
Oh, man, come on. Nothing is fucked here, man.
Nothing is fucked.
No, man.
Goddamn plane has crashed into the mountain.
Come on. Who are you going to believe? These guys are... look, we dropped off the damn...
We?
The royal we. You know, the editorial... Look, I dropped off the money exactly as per... I've got some information, man. Certain things have come to light, and, you know, has it ever occurred to you that instead of running around blaming me, you know, given the nature of all this new shit, you know, this might be a lot more complex. I mean, it's not just, I mean, it might not be just such a simple... You know?
What in God's holy name are you blathering about?
I'll tell you what I'm blathering about. I've got information, man. New shit has come to light. And shit, man, she kidnapped herself. Well, sure, man. Look at it. A young trophy wife, in the parlance of our time. She owes money all over town, including to known pornographers. And that's cool. That's cool. What I'm saying is she needs money, man. And, of course, they're going to say they didn't get it because she wants more, man. I mean, she's got to feed the monkey, you know. Hasn't that ever occurred to you, man? Sir?
No, Mr. Lebowski, that had not occurred to me.
That had not occurred to us, dude.
Okay, well, you guys aren't privy to all the new shit, so, but hey, that's what you pay me for. And speaking of which, I was wondering, can you give me my 20 grand in cash? My concern is, and I've got to check with my accountant, that this might bump me up into a higher tax.
Brant, give him the envelope.
Oh, well, you know, you already got the
Received this
check made
this
out.
morning.
Since you have stolen my money, since you have unrepentantly betrayed my trust, since you have failed to achieve, even in the modest task which was your charge, I have no choice but to tell these bums to do whatever is necessary to recover their money from you, Mr. Lebowski. And with Brant as my witness, I tell you this. Any further harm visited upon Bunny will be visited tenfold upon your head. By God, sir, I will not abide another